Hello, everybody. Good evening. My name is Martinez. I am a bachelor degree student in English as a foreign language at the National University of Untitled. In this presentation, we will explain how to use the Edmodo tool to teach in virtual environments. We'll write Edmodo in the Google search engine. We click Edmodo. In the upper right part where it says register, we click here and the menu is displayed. Select an account, teacher account, student account, family account. If you are a teacher, click here. Edmodo shows us select your location. We click on this tab. We click on Colombia. We click next. You can register in 3 ways. We can register with your Google account, your Office 365 account, or your family account. In this case, I will register with my Google account. When we have write our username and password, we click next. Edmodo tells us welcome. We click next. And Edmodo asks us for our password, but this password is not the one for our email. It is the password to enter the Edmodo. We click on to create your free account. We click next. Edmodo asks us to check your email. We open our email and click on confirm the account. Edmodo shows us success, email has been verified. We click next. Edmodo tells us complete your profile. Title, first name, last name. My first name, Dagonesto. My last name, Martinez. We click on done. On the left side, it shows us view profile. View profile. Here we can upload your profile picture. Here it shows us your profile is 25% complete. Add your school, my classes, and set up your live class, add a student, and start sharing classwork. Create a class, my group, share resources, and collaborate with educators like you. And in the central part, it shows us the word of post. Get started with Edmodo. Here you can create a class or join an existing class or a school and start communicating with students and parents, and share digital assignments, quizzes, and more. Edmodo shows us date and time. For example, here it shows us March 5 at 7:45 p.m. In the upper left part, It shows home, classes, calendar, discover, message. We click on create a class. Edmodo shows us name your class. Edmodo shows us name your class. Here we can write, for example, Unit 1, understanding. In describe your class, here we can write, for example, each of the students has the theory to watch the video below. Select the teaching level. Here we can write, for example, professional training. We can also change the class color. We click on create. When we click to upload a photo, Edmodo shows us please verify your password. We write our password. So we click verify. The model shows us welcome. Here we can see that all this is already shown to us. Unit 1 understanding, each of the students has the duty to watch the video below. Rank, higher education, training, professional, the class color, we click create. So Edmodo shows us welcome to Unit 1 understanding. What's the next? Add the students. Here, create account for your students or invite them to join your class. Explore class, check the characteristics of the class before adding your students. We explore the class first. Edmodo shows us the code of the class. This code is the one that we are going to send to students to join the class. On the left side, we can see that Edmodo shows us your classes, folders, members, small groups. In the central part, Edmodo shows us the teacher's name, class description, start a discussion, share class material, etc. On the right side, Edmodo shows us add class, file or image, or add from your library. If we want to add a new class, we repeat the procedure. We click on home, Edmodo shows us start. Edmodo shows us Edmodo shows us start, send class announcement, assignment, test, and more. Start building your digital classroom community. Here something to try. And your class that you have created appears in green here. Here. Add the student, send a welcome message, create submit an assignment, create and submit a test. On the right side, Edmodo shows us event, schedule event, see entire calendar, invite. In the central part, Edmodo shows us your class currently has no students. This is because I have not added any student yet. Edmodo shows us your profile with an image, add class image, calendar. We must add an image to our profile to ask our students to upload an image of themselves. Edmodo tells us, please verify your password. We click on verify. Edmodo shows us upload photo. We click here. We will go for the image where we have saved that, and we click OK. So here we can see our profile with our image. Below we will show you the resources that we can use in the model. Files or documents, video files, audio files, graphics, animations, newspaper files, magazine, questionnaire, etc. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.